Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So in this video I am here with the new script of multi-level marketing website. So now you can create your own multi-level marketing business website using this script. It is a completely 100% working website and you can control this complete site from admin panel. You don't need any coding knowledge to control this site. And if you want to buy this script from us, you can contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp link is in description. You can contact us and buy the script. And the advantage you will get of buying from us is we will give you free installation if you have domain and hosting. And if you need this complete website with domain name and hosting, we also provide the complete website. So you can contact us and buy this script. And here you can see that this is our website. For link, contact us on WhatsApp and we will give you this link and you can buy easily from this website. So this is our website and this is MLM script and you can buy this, or MLM lab is also available, binary multi-level marketing website. You can buy any of the script you want. So some other scripts are available. You can explore our site and buy any script you want. You just have to click on browse all and you can easily see all our scripts and you can buy any of the script you want. So now let's go back to our site and now let's start this video. In this video we will explore this website and we will see how we can control it and use it. So you can change this text, everything from admin panel, images, anything you want to change, you can change it. And you can also change this video or this statistics section. This is how you get started, features. It is completely controllable. And this is a plan section. So here is a plan of MLM investment. So here you can see that $100 plan. You can create multiple plans from admin panel in a way you want. So these are the latest deposit, latest withdrawals of users. So site is newly created, as you can see that this is on my domain, subdomain. Site is newly created, so it is showing no deposits or withdrawals. Here you can also insert blogs on this website, and here is a matrix lag logo and footer section. You can change it also from admin. So you can also visit these pages separately if you want to visit them. For example, if I want to visit the about section, I have to click on it and it will redirect me to the about page. So this is the about section. Similarly, you can visit all these pages separately. Now let's log into user panel and see how its user panel will looks like. So this is the user login page. So we don't have an account now, but so we have to sign up to this website. So let's click on sign up and let's register on this website. So it is asking for username. So I will enter the username here, and here it is asking for email. I will enter my email for web123@gmail.com. Here select country you want, and here I am entering my demo details of phone number, and here I have to enter my password, and here confirm password, and after that click on I agree and click on create account. So here you can see that it is asking me to verify my email. So code will be sent to your email, and you have to enter that verification code. So I am entering my verification code. After entering the code, here it is showing you to fill these user data options. So you have to fill your name, last name. So I am entering the random details, but you have to enter your correct details. So this is a demo account, so I will click on submit and it will redirect me to my user panel. So this is the amazing user panel of this website. Here user can see its current balance, deposits, withdrawals, total transaction, total commission, my plan, latest transactions of users right here. And this is the referral link. I can refer anyone using this link. So let's explore some other options. To deposit money on this website, user just have to click on deposit money, and user can invest money or deposit money using any of the gateway. So I will show you how you can create a gateway on this website. So you can insert multiple payment gateways. For example, you can also use local payment gateways or coin automatic payment gateways. So you can use them to, user can use them to deposit money. So we have to insert them from admin panel. Similar case with withdraw, user can easily withdraw money. Here user can see the plans and user can invest in plan. So here are the blog sections. So let's go back. Here user can see its referred users. So when I click on referred users, user can see its referral tree right here. And here referral commissions user can see, and here user can see the levels commissions. And here are all the account setting, profile setting, balance transfer setting, ePIN, recharge log, change password. All these settings are here. User can use them. So let's log out and let's log into our admin panel, and let's see how we can use the admin panel of this site and how we can control this website. So this is the admin login page of this website. Now we have to enter our admin username and password to log into our admin panel. So I have entered my admin username and password. Now when I click on login, it will redirect me to my admin panel of this website. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our admin panel. First of all, you can see all the users on your site, total active bell users, email unverified user, total deposits, pending deposit, rejected deposit, all the details right here you can see. And here you can see all the notification of deposits, register user, and here is admin profile, change password, etc. So from manage user, you can manage all the users on your website. So this is the active users. So when I click on details, you can change the details of user from here, or add balance to their account or subtract balance from user account. So this is how you can manage the users of this website. And when I go to plans, if you want to create a multiple plans, you can easily create a plan from here. From matrix setting, you can change the matrix height or length. And when I click on add plan, you can add any plan you want. You just have to fill these simple details and you can easily insert a plan from here. And you can increase the level commission from matrix setting. So here you can manage the pin option of users from here. And when I go to payment gateway, so here you can see their automatic and manual payment gateway. So these are all the automatic gateways. To enable them, just click on edit them, change their details, insert your own details and edit and save them. So when I go to manual payment gateways, if you want to create them, just click on add new, and here you can easily add a new gateway, any local gateway you want to add from here. From deposits, you can approve, reject deposit request of user. From withdrawals, you can approve, reject withdraw request of users, and you can create a withdraw method. So from support ticket, admin can communicate with the user of the sites. And here are the general settings options. You can change the name of the site from Matrix Lab to any other. You can also change currency of the site to any your local currency, and you can change some time zone and other settings of the website. From a system configuration, you can turn on off several different settings of the website. You can turn on off emails, notifications, and all the settings of this website. From logo and favicon, you can change the logo of this website to your own business logo, and you can use your own logo here. And here are some other settings. You can manage them from notifications. Here you can manage email, SMS, global template settings. Here are the manage template. You can manage pages. From manage section, you can edit any section that is on your website. For example, I want to edit the about section on the website. So here you can change the image, text, everything you can change from here. So it is easy. Similarly, you can change all the sections that are on your website. So viewers, in this video I guided you completely about this website and its script. And now if you want to buy the script, contact us on WhatsApp and we will provide you the script. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and also share this video with your other friends who need this website.